Hi, I'm Joan Lok. I usually like to paint landscape that is surrounding us according to the seasons. So initially, I plan to paint the cherry blossom near Tidal Basin in my next workshop. However, we have been kind of covered with various snowstorm and windstorm, and I think many of you have snow or at least very cold weather surrounding you. So I decided, why not paint a snow landscape? So in my upcoming workshop, I'm changing the cherry blossom landscape into a snow landscape. And this particular one is actually different because it is a Gongbi style ink only snow landscape. We are going to try to paint this painting with the all the different elements in these compositions within our workshop. So it's a start to finish workshop, and let's see what we have. In this particular landscape, we only have ink and there's no use of any resist, including opaque white or any kind of things like milk or other elements to preserve the white. The white is basically the white of the paper, but this is a Gongbi painting, so we are going to do it on size paper with ink only. And we'll see from the bottom of the painting, we have various um, landmarks, and then we have a small boat, and we have a little forest, and there are some houses and human structure in the midground. And yet we also have trees that the leaves has all fallen, but we also have evergreens such as pine. And in the very distant um, background, we do have a pagoda behind a forest and also a distant waterfall. The whole landscape is actually ink only without the use of any resist, and it will be Gongbi painting. So I think this would be something interesting for you to look into. And this will be what we'll be painting in our upcoming workshop. That will be a Gongbi ink only snow landscape. I hope you will join me to try to complete this really elaborate artwork from start to finish within 2.5 hours. Thank you. I hope to see you. Bye bye.